Alright, what's up everyone? This is going to be the recap video for May 2nd, 2017 Bowman Hobby 2-box break. We are going to start with our notable prospects. Yeah, notable prospects and rookies. Let's see here. Alright, so we had two Andrew Benintendi rookies. We also had two Aaron Judge rookies. We had two paper, one chrome for Nick Senzel. We had one paper, one chrome for Kevin Maitan, however you want to say it. We had one paper and two chromes for Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Alright, next we'll go with the rookies. Rookie of the Year favorites. Inserts. Aaron Judge, Tyler Glasnow, Yuniesky Gurriel, Alex Reyes, Andrew Benintendi, and Josh Bell. Talent pipelines. We got the Nationals, Robles, Fetty, and Voth. We got the Rays, Lowe, Adonis, and Faria for the Rays. Mariners, Lewis, O'Neill and Peterson for the Mariners. And then for the Dodgers, Alvarez, Calhoun, and Bellinger. Bowman's top 100. We'll go in descending order. So all of these were in the top 50. Yeah, all in the top 50. We had number 44, Brent Honeywell. Number 41, Josh Bell. Number 36, Luis Ortiz. Number 21, Mitch Keller. Number 14, Rafael Devers. And number 7, I can't read that low, number 7, Ahmed Rosario. He's number 5 on the bunch of lists going into the year. Alright, next up is going to be our numbered color and refractor parallels. Wow, we had a really colorful break. Very, very colorful. Won't spoil any surprises just yet. But out of 499, silver border rookie card parallel for the White Sox, Yoan Moncada. Not numbered, red 70th, we had Eric Jenkins and Tomoyuki Sugano. Red 70th anniversary parallel, paper. Chrome, we have a Wilmer Becerra, whatever you want to call him. Refractor, numbered out of 499. 182 out of 499 refractor for the Mets. Another refractor of Ronil Rautis for the Red Sox. That is number 1 out of 499. 1 out of 499 for the Red Sox. Gold refractor for the Rays. Jake Bowers. Rays. Number 41 out of 50. Orange. Number 25. Yudi Garcia. Orange refractor parallel for the Pirates. Number 19 out of 25. Autos. Base auto. Abraham Gutierrez. Base auto. Atlanta Braves. Jason Groom, refractor auto for the Red Sox. Jason Groom, refractor auto, Red Sox, numbered 319 out of 499. And last but definitely not least, nope, that's not a Clayton Kershaw base card. That is the black bordered parallel, numbered 1 of 1. 101 Clayton Kershaw, black border parallel for the Dodgers. Great card, great player too. So nice hit for the Dodgers. That'll be it for tonight's break. I will host a break next week on Monday. If you don't want your base cards, please shoot me a message and let me know, because they take time to sort and they're heavy, so they take a lot of weight. So let me know. I will do my very best to get these out as quick as possible. But I am sorting 4 boxes worth. I did a 2-boxer yesterday, so I should get them out 5-6 days at the very, very most. Usually it takes 3 or 4. So thank you everyone for participating. I hope you had fun. Solid couple boxes there. Look forward to another break next Monday and or Tuesday. So have a good night, and I'll see you next week.